Introduction. This chapter focuses on the psychological mechanism of speech perception and continuous speech. Core content. The recognition and understanding of language sound, significance of research, importance of understanding speech, perception for language, learning communication and speech disorder treatment. Fundamentals of speech perception. There are two components of speech. Phonemes, the smallest unit of sound that distinguish one word from another. Example, the word pat, pet, and bat, bet, different only in the first sound, P and B. This shows that P and B are different phonemes. Changing one phoneme can completely change the word meaning. Syllables. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. It usually has a vowel sound and may have surrounding consonant. In simple terms, syllables are the beat of a word. Example, cat. One syllable only, one vowel sound a. Table. Two syllables, table. Ta is the first syllable and bol is the second. Complexity of speech recognition, variability of speech signals, influenced by context, speaking rate, and etc. Example, accent different. In word, tomato, American English, tomato, British, tomato. Same word but signals varies depending on accent. Speech segmentation problems determining words boundaries in continuous speech. Example, ice cream for ice cream. If only quickly, it might sound like ice cream for ice cream. The listener may confuse it as ice cream shouting or ice cream the desert. Two types of factors influencing speech perception. Influence of lexical knowledge. How lexical knowledge help us perceive speech more accurately. Role of context. How context influence speech recognition and understanding. Role of context. How context influence speech recognition and understanding. Phoneme restoration effect. Completing missing part of speech through context. Speech perception in bilinguals. How people with different language backgrounds segment speech. How efficient bilinguals flexibility use different speech processing strategies. Model of speech recognition. Pre-lexical versus post-lexical codes. Introduction to two different speech processing methods. Pre-lexical versus post-lexical codes. Pre-lexical codes sound-based clues before word recognition. Example, hearing the word ba, brain activates candidates like bat, bag, ball. Post-lexical codes, meaning context-based clues after word recognition. Example, mishearing ice cream as ice cream, but then fixing it because the sentence was the kids want ice cream. Template matching model. Early models but the limitation. Analysis by synthesis models. Speech recognition models based on speech production. Motor theories, emphasizing the role of motor areas in language processing. Example of template matching model. You hear the sound dog, your brain has stored template for word dog. The brain compares the sound with its stored templates. Since it matches, you recognize it as a dog. Analysis by synthesis models. Example, you hear the sound that could be B or P. Your brain generates both possibilities. Maybe the speaker said bat or pat. This model shows that speech perception is active and predictive, not just passive listening. Motor cues. You hear the sound P versus B. Acoustically, they are very similar, but P is made without vocal cord vibration, or we call it voiceless, while B uses vibration, voice. Two types of key models of lexical recognition. Cohort model and trace model. In cohort model, there are three stages of lexical recognition: access, selection, and integration. In access, many people words are activated. Example of access: you hear ka, your brain activates possible words like cat, cap, car, and candle. Selection: the correct word is chosen. Example: you then hear cat, fully brain select cat and discard cap, car, and candle. Integration: the word is placed into the sentence to get fully meaning. Example: the black cat is sleeping. Once cat is recognized, your brain links it with the rest of the sentence to understand the full meaning. Trace model: connectionist model that simulates speech perception through computer simulation. Advantages: handling context effect and speech variability and lexical context effect. Limitation: problems with determining response and strength. Role of context in lexical recognition. How context influence lexical selection. Semantics context influence word processing. Example: after the long hike, the kids sat by the river bank to rest. The word bank could mean a financial institution or the side of a river. Here, the semantic context, word like hike, kids, river, rest, help us understand that bank means the edge of a river, not a place for money. Structural context involves higher level information. Example: although it rained heavily, the player continued the match. The word although signals contrast between two ideas. The structural context, the way the sentence is built with a dependent clause plus main clause, shows that relationship. It rained heavily, unexpected condition, player continued the match is the main action. Non-linguistic context, visual context, and etc. Example: imagine two friends at a restaurant. One friend looks at the waiter and says, "It's really cold in here." Depending on the non-linguistic context, the situation, tone, and environment, this could mean a simple observation about the temperature, a polite request to close the window, or turn off the air conditioner. The meaning changes because the situation, not just a word. Experimental evidence. Switzer-Lutz 1989 study. Context helps select semantically related word with high immutability generates stronger activation. Competition and inhibition influence of lexical neighborhood. Structure: how the number and characteristic of competing word affect recognition, speed, and accuracy. Shortlist model and merge model. Introduction to how this model handle lexical competition. Visual and auditory information in speech recognition. Multi-channel integration. How visual information assists speech recognition. Brain damage and speech recognition. Impact of brain damage on speech recognition. Word deafness: can speak and write normally but cannot understand speech. Different types of speech processing disorder. Summary: speech recognition is a complex process involving multiple levels, keywords, segmentation, invariance, lexical context, future research direction.